Yeah, a bit of a roller coaster ride for CSL yesterday. Shares down as much as 6% before everyone came in and bought the dip. Only ended down 1.5%. What happened? Sorry, 17 results, solid. Underlying constant currency results up 24%. That was 4 points above its own guidance. Top line growing at 15%. It's really quite humming along quite nicely. So what happened? What sent the stock reeling? It was really their outlook. They guided for underlying impact growth of 11 to 16%. Sorry, that was 5 points below consensus on the top end of their guidance range. Now, this is what we warned investors of back in June, when we downgraded the stock to a neutral at $142. They came in line actually with our guidance for 18. The company also flagged higher operating expenditures, OPEX, as well as CAPEX, and they pulled the buyback. Now, this is the first time we've seen this in almost a decade that CSL will not be buying back shares. Why are they doing this? They're really doing this to reinvest in their future growth. Now, from a kind of 60,000 foot level for especially a pharmaceutical company, this is actually a good thing. It actually underpins their future growth trajectory. So I'm happy actually to see this. But looking at the guidance and knowing CSL is conservative by its mere nature, we view the bar as really quite low going into fiscal 18, and it's actually a bit of a deja vu. If you remember last year, and I brought this up before, the company came out with fiscal 17 guidance of 11% growth. Obviously, they upgraded throughout the year, and they came in at 24% to end the year with. Now, that stock had fallen 5% on that day. It had actually returned a 30% return since that time. Now, I'm not saying we're going to have a direct repeat of last year's results, but what I am saying with the product pipeline looking pretty good, new product launches, good solid demand, and good expanding indications for their drugs, it looks pretty solid for CSL to put up pretty good double-digit growth going forward. So we did upgrade it back to an add recommendation. Happy to be there, $1.38 price target.